All right. How to change good old flat tyre. Safety first. Couple of bricks under the back tyres. Car should be on a very level slope. Handbrake on, in park, beautiful.
I hope I have all the right tools. I've got a nail getter, a thingy majiggy, and a car lifter. Yes?
All right. The jack goes directly behind the tyre. There's a little groove there where the jack fits in. Perfect. Loosen the nuts before the tyre's right off the ground. Beautiful job.
Didn't you actually tighten this? Why didn't you tighten this?
Oh, that one's coming off last. Beautiful job, Boo. Perfect. Happy? No?
No.
Why?
My sore.
Your finger's sore, is it? Oh, they're interesting fingers, aren't they? Wow.
I had one of these.
Hilarious. Beautiful. Tyre off. Spare in the boot. Roll around. And whack it on. Beautiful. New tyre on. It's best to tighten the nuts when the wheel's back on the ground. Take your jack out. Remove the chocking brakes from the back wheels and you're done. And a drum roll from Talisha. Nice drum rolling. Good tempo.